Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following along on my videos, you would have seen that I have recently tested out a new way of planning in my Hobonichi weeks, and I wanted to kind of tie some of that into my Hobonichi Techo. I kind of been doing something similar already in this planner, but I thought I would be very intentional this week. So to start out, I am using a mild liner bullet tip edge to essentially outline the box here. I'm just following the grid lines. And let's see, it goes all the way down to there. So just taking my time to line it up nicely. Where does that go? Kind of covered it a little. And then all the way to the bottom. I should probably check to see I'm still in view. Okay, good. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here up until the start of Monday. Very good. And I feel like this has created such a nice cohesive layout for each week, and I wanted to share that with you guys in this video. All right, very good. And then perhaps I'll use the chiseled tip edge and create a little header here, and can do the same thing on this side. Okay, nice. I'm gonna also go in with some washi tape, but actually let me hold on that. Let's just write out the days. I'm just gonna abbreviate Monday, and I know it says it up top. Technically, I could probably put washi tape and cover that. Not sure yet. Saturday and Sunday. I'm actually gonna put the date in case I do cover it. I think as I'm writing, I'm sort of leaning that way. Oops, 25, 26, 27. I made a little mistake there, but I mean, it's fine. All right, let's see, how does that look? If I cover the top, what is that like? Yeah, let's do it, let's do that. I think I like that. Oop, but we gotta start it a little bit closer to the edge here. And if you guys follow, you'll know that I like to cut the washi tape and not drag it over the midline of the page. I've always found that it kind of creates like a raise in the edge. It makes it bumpy in the center, and I really don't like that. All right, so that's looking pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna be using some of these washi tapes here from the washi tape shop. Let's see here. Uh-oh, what's going on? Oh, the sticker got stuck there, that's okay. So I really wanted to use this for a while. This to me looks so beautiful. Let's see if I can focus on, hopefully this is focusing for you guys. Sorry if it wasn't earlier. So where could this go? This could go here, I think on the weekend. So I'm actually gonna layer it with a little bit of tape, not a ton. I'm gonna bring this tape all the way to the edge here and have it hang over. I think that looks a little bit nice. And then I'm gonna have this, the two little bumblebees, kind of right here on the corner. That looks so nice. You know what I'm also gonna do? I'm gonna divide up the day, kind of like where lunchtime is right around noon for me. I think having another thick line in the middle will look nice as well. All right, just like that. All right, that looks good. Let's see what else I can add here. I could do that little flower. Let's see. I kind of like this one actually. It's a little bouquet. Let's take that out. Very nice. Okay. And I'm also gonna take out this sticker sheet and see what color this looks nice on top. Maybe a blue. All right, let's take a look. What's going on Monday? Mommy does school pick up dinner. I'll put this here. For some reason, yeah, it's like such a simple little circle, but it does a lot for me in my layout. So I'm gonna stick to that. I also have this here. I might do a little bit of a box. This is not from the weeks. This is from the A6 Hobonichi set. But it works nicely if you have tasks to do on multiple days. All right, let's see here. Okay. Swim bag. Show mom. Location plus water shoes. Figure out Saturday's schedule. Okay, good. All right, let me get to adding things to my schedule here. 1, 2, 3, 30. I always have to count out when it's not like 3:30, it's like 15. It's confusing for me still, just not used to it. Dental, email, school, early pickup. Oops, sorry, some beeping going on there. Let's see here. What else do we have? I had a 12 p.m. That's right. Let's do this here. That's my mall walking steps. And then we have dinner here, which I should probably put somehow into a little box. Okay, good. Dinner. All right, and then Tuesday, we need to do, I wonder if I just did like a thing like this. Oh, okay. Just trying something new. This is a Tombow brush pen. I just had them out from a video I had filmed previously, and I was like, oh, let me just test it. Plus backpack. All right, and then an acupuncture appointment. And then where did my yellow mild liner go? There it is. Okay. Okay, very good. And then I actually have a group of things I need to get done over these days. So I might link it like that. Let's see. That may be a little bit weird. But I think I need to do it because those do loop over those days. Don't really know how that's gonna work. It's a little page gap here. This might be weird and maybe the last time I do a cross page thing like that. Let's take a look. To do. Okay. Maybe it doesn't even cross over. I don't know. Switch seats for the car. Lexus drop off. Dyson. My pencil board just slipped and made me write a little bit strange, which is okay, that happens. Okay, let's see what stickers I can do. I am all about the stickers these days. I feel like they have been adding such a beautiful pop of color to my spreads, and they're just fun. Okay, it's a nice way to fill out like empty space. And obviously there's more stuff going on in the week, but I am just putting out, ooh, my books are arriving. That's exciting. Arriving on Thursday. So my husband actually bought, I think it's the 5th book in the Hunger Games series, which I didn't even know that there was like a 4th and 5th book, but he recently purchased the 5th one for me, and I just like didn't even know that he had it, so we just picked up the 4th one, which is arriving sometime in here, which will be so exciting. I'm a Kindle person, but also I love physical books. There's something about like turning the pages. Book delivery. Start on Friday. Yay. Then I'm just gonna fill in here, which is swimming, consistent. And then we also have window cleaners coming, so I have to put that in. Let's put it here. Sorry, this is kind of a quiet, a quiet planner video. Window cleaners. You can see I'm like really focused. Okay, let's do my little tracker here. Okay, and then great. Tracker. Vitamins. Planner. Walking. And I wonder if I just like did a line across, if I could just check the lines. We'll try something different this week. I'm not sure how that's gonna go, but we will see. Okay, and then let's just take out Some stickers from here. I think this is a good one here. Kind of like this girl. Let's take her out and put her, where can I place her? Over here, perhaps. And then I do like this little like coffee tea combo. We'll put this here. Oops, put that a little off angle. Let's straighten that up. Good. Oops, just dropped a sticker. It's okay. And let's do this little cloud guy. Sunny with a little bit of clouds. Cute. I'm just on a roll here, sticker roll. I'm gonna put this backpack over here. You know, let me layer that. Going a little crazy with the stickers, but that's what stickers are for, to be used. I used to be so scared to use my stickers and I just wasn't using them, and that to me is just kind of like a waste. So now, same goes for my like New Year's resolution was to use what I have, and if I can use it, then that justifies buying more. That just makes sense, right? Like if you're not using it, then does it make sense to keep buying more? It doesn't. I mean, people will still do it, and probably me too, but it just makes more sense. So it's like a win-win. All right, now I'm just gonna be adding some stickers again from the washi tape shop. I'll link them down below. They've got these amazing like die cut stickers on a washi tape roll. So you actually get like a ton of stickers. The quality is like really amazing, and it's just so fun. I feel like adding that to the spread, it really adds a lot. So what else can I add here? Essential checklist, that's kind of cute too. Where can I put that? Put that in here somewhere. Cute. Pen pal. Oh, I wish I had a pen pal. I haven't done that in so long. I don't know if you guys used to have pen pals growing up. I had one in Germany, actually. That was like part of like a school program. And we actually kept in touch for a while, like past. And then it eventually faded out. But it's kind of like a cool thing to do. I know there's some like Facebook groups where people like are pen pals with one another, or they do like a stationery exchange, things like that. I feel like that's so cute and so fun. You guys are probably like, what are you doing? I'm just adding stickers. I hope you guys like this look. I know my spreads are a little bit more simple usually, but I was just like, let me try something different. Let me go crazy here. Let's just see. I like it. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below if this is like way too busy for you, but I'm interested. I think this is kind of cool. I think it looks nice. I mean, maybe I'm going a little overboard. Okay, last one. Last cool sticker here. I do, ever since I was little, enjoy layering things. Okay, that looks good. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you're into all these stickers or if this is too cluttered for your taste. I think it's a little different than what I normally do, but I am actually really liking how this turned out. So keep me posted, let me know, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.